making the pinata cake. So we need here dark compound chocolate because we are making dark chocolate pinata cake. If you all want to make white color pinata cake or white chocolate pinata cake, you all can use white compound. So let's begin it. Here is the dark compound which I have made into small sprinkles. You all can even chop the chocolates into small pieces where it becomes easy to melt the chocolate. Let's heat the water in a container so that we can melt the chocolate easily. Now take the chocolate which you have made into small pieces on the water which you have heated 2 to 3 minutes. Now melt it slowly so that it becomes shiny and very soft. This is how when a chocolate perfectly melts into shiny and smooth structure. It takes hardly from 2 to 3 minutes to melt the chocolate. Now let's begin to put the chocolate into the mold which have perfectly melted. This is the silicone mold which helps the chocolate to come out with a perfect structure. Now let's pour the chocolate into the mold to get the perfect structure for the cake as round bowl. Now after pouring the chocolate at every corner, you should keep the mold in refrigerator for 10 minutes. After coming out from refrigerator, the mold look like this. Now gently pour the second layer so that pinata cake becomes thick because only applying the first layer pinata cake becomes very thin. Now even the second layer have dried and come from the refrigerator. We will gently remove it by side. Please be careful while removing the pinata cake. It may break any time. So I have removed it from all the sides. Now remove the chocolate from all the sides and take a container and remove it gently from the silicone mold that it doesn't get any scratches. So remove it very gently so that it comes with a shiny structure with a smooth bowl. Here I have made again one same pinata bowl with same procedure to make a perfect circle so that it looks better pinata cake. Let's start decorating the pinata cake. We will put chocolates inside the pinata. As you wish, you can put even cake inside the pinata. I am putting chocolates. Now gently apply the chocolate syrup to the side of the pinata that again one pinata gets stuck to it. Now after joining the two pinatas, now it's whole circle. Now let's decorate the pinata by butterflies which are eatable. Fold the butterflies and stick the butterflies to the pinata using the chocolate syrup used for making pinata. Stick all the butterflies in the same way. Here is a beautiful pinata cake where butterflies are flying on it. Thank you so much for watching my video. Subscribe my channel and do like and share for wonderful recipes.